Greetings, this is Colin Curtis, the chef here at Williamson Wines. Today we have an absolute wonderful dish, the spiced crusted halibut with yogurt sauce. Bill, the mastermind of it all, has paired it so nicely with the Frisky 2022. Let's get into it. First step in this dish is we're going to be putting together the yogurt for the halibut. Let's get it in a bowl. Great. Chopped cilantro. And a little bit of the herby spearmint. And of course, our friend salt and pepper. Give it a mix. And go ahead and set that aside. We just did our yogurt sauce, and now we're going to be cooking our butternut squash for about 5 to 7 minutes in boiling water that's already been salted, and I have it going already. Great. Next step, let's season our fish up. So we have 2 beautiful pieces of Alaskan halibut right here, and we have all of our spices. We're going to be spicing it today with our catch of the day, our Aztec black pepper, cumin seed, coriander, and celery. Let's go ahead and get it done. So we're just going to want to coat everything very nicely. Kind of pat it in there, flip it around, redo. Put the nice crust on it. And there's some residuals on the plate. Just go ahead and roll it around. Yummy. All right, we're gonna get our saute pan on. We're gonna use a little bit of Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil just to get that nice sear on it. So we're just gonna melt the butter down until we get a nice little brown ring around the oil. And then we'll put our fish in. All right, we got our fish in, and we're just gonna get a nice sear on both sides and then toss it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can smell the aromatics, it's going good. All right, we just flipped the fish. Looks super yummy. We're gonna get it in the oven for just a couple minutes. And then all the juices in that pan, we wanna save it for this butternut squash for the next step. We have our fish in the oven. It's about 2 minutes away. Our butternut squash has been on for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull that off, throw it in the strainer. Oh, that smells great. Great, so we're gonna pull our fish out on the plate. Let's let it rest for a sec, and then put the butternut squash in with all these beautiful spices and juices. Get our butternut squash. Give them a good toss. Oh yeah. Always want to season it. Oh, that smells great. Okay, let's pull our plate forward. Grab our good old yogurt sauce. Put a nice smear on the plate. Bit of butternut squash. And let's put our halibut on. We're all finished up. It's such a delightful dish. You have the acidity of the Greek yogurt, you have the richness of the halibut, and the butternut squash with the spice that just melts everything together. Let's enjoy.